Hey, and welcome back to Lady Tradie. Today is for people on a tight budget that want to get a garden going at their home. So I'm going to show you a really inexpensive way to take some cuttings and set up a nice little flower garden. Now these native daisies are the best thing to use for this, and they're quite popular around Australia at the moment. So you want to take a cutting with about 5 to 10 centimeters of stem, put it in a small glass with a little bit of water and leave it for about a week, and they will dry out. But about a week into this, you will start to see these beautiful little roots shooting out at the bottom. Once it's got those roots, you can put it into some potting mix, somewhere that's in a nice warm location that gets part sunlight, part shade, and you are able to water it every day or every other day and keep it quite moist but well drained. In a few weeks' time, you should get a slightly larger plant like this one you can see to the left hand side here, and then look after that well for a little while. It will end up getting really good roots on it, which you can then transplant into the garden. Now, if you look after it well and water once to twice a week and you've got good weather and good sunshine, in a month or two you should get a really good single plant, and then as the next couple of months go on, that will start spreading and growing and you'll end up with a really large established plant. So give it a go, you've got nothing to lose, and it's a pretty cool thing for the kids to watch and observe as well.